Hey everyone, you already know I'm down for an adventure. Whether it's exploring a city or hitting the trails, I'm always looking for gear that can keep up. And let me tell you, finding solid, reliable gear is game-changing. It can be the difference between, that was an awesome trip and I'm never doing that again. So today we're diving headfirst into the world of camping gear, but not just any gear. We're talking about the kind of inventions that make you say, how did I ever live without this? We've got 5 incredible pieces of gear lined up that are guaranteed to take your outdoor adventures to the next level. Let's go. First up, we've got the MutiFlex flashlight. Now, I know what you're thinking. A flashlight? That's your groundbreaking invention? But trust me on this one. This isn't your average flashlight. It's designed to be your go-to tool in any situation. This thing is a beast. It's powerful, reliable, and incredibly versatile. It's not just a light source, it's a multi-tool that can handle any situation you encounter in the wild. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need a reliable tool at home, the MutiFlex has got you covered. We're talking 13 different functions packed into one compact device. It's like having a Swiss Army knife but in flashlight form. Need to cut some rope? MutiFlex has a blade for that. It's sharp and durable, perfect for any cutting task. Need to open a can? Boom, built-in can opener. Screwdriver? Got it. Bottle opener? You bet. It's got everything you need for those unexpected moments. This thing is like having a whole toolbox in your pocket. Imagine the convenience of carrying all these tools without the bulk. And the best part? It's super durable and water resistant, so it can handle whatever you throw at it. Rain, snow, or shine, the MutiFlex is built to last. Seriously, this thing is a lifesaver. It's reliable in emergencies and perfect for everyday use. I took it on my last camping trip, and it came in clutch so many times. From setting up camp to fixing gear, it was indispensable. One night we were setting up camp and it was pitch black. No moonlight, no street lights, just darkness. I used the MutiFlex to illuminate the entire campsite, making it easy to see what we were doing and ensuring we set up safely. Then used the screwdriver to tighten a loose screw on my camp chair. It saved me from a potential disaster. It's seriously the ultimate EDC companion. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just need a reliable tool for everyday tasks, the MutiFlex flashlight is a must-have. It's compact, versatile, and ready for anything. Next up, we've got the PKNK foldable table, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer for anyone who loves to eat outdoors. Imagine this, you're camping in the middle of nowhere, the sun is setting, and you're starving. You've got your camp stove fired up, your food is almost ready, but there's nowhere to eat except for the cold, hard ground. That's where the PKNK table comes in. This thing sets up in seconds, giving you a stable and level surface to enjoy your meal. No more balancing plates on your lap or trying to eat off uneven rocks. But it's not just for eating. You can use it for playing cards, prepping food, or even just as a place to put your drink. Whether you're hiking up a mountain, heading to the beach, or just having a picnic in the park, this table is your perfect companion. It's designed to be durable and withstand the elements, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged. The table is made from high-quality materials that are both sturdy and easy to clean. After a long day of adventure, simply wipe it down, fold it up, and you're good to go. It's the ultimate convenience for any outdoor enthusiast. So if you're looking to elevate your outdoor experience, the PKNK foldable table is a must-have. Don't miss out on this essential piece of gear for your next adventure. Get yours today, and make your outdoor meals and activities more enjoyable than ever before. Dometic Go Hydration Water Jug, 11 liters, and hydration water faucet. Alright, let's talk hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial when you're spending time outdoors, but lugging around a bulky water jug can be a real pain. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just enjoying a day at the park, carrying enough water is always a challenge. That's why I'm stoked about the Dometic Go Hydration Water Jug. It's designed to make your outdoor adventures more enjoyable and hassle-free. This thing holds a whopping 11 liters of water, which is enough to keep you hydrated for days. Imagine not having to constantly refill your water supply. But the real game changer is the built-in faucet. This feature sets it apart from other water jugs on the market. No more struggling to pour water from a heavy jug. We've all been there, trying to balance a heavy jug while pouring and ending up spilling half of it. Just press the faucet, and you've got a steady stream of fresh, clean water. It's as simple as that. It's perfect for filling up water bottles, washing your hands, or even just taking a quick sip. The convenience it offers is unmatched. Plus, the jug itself is super durable and leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about any spills or messes. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Trust me, this thing is a game changer for staying hydrated on your next camping trip. With the Dometic Go Hydration Water Jug, you can focus on enjoying your adventure without worrying about your water supply. Chapter 4. Luminoodle. Versatile USB lighting solution. Let's be real, campsite lighting can be a real buzzkill. Fumbling around with headlamps or dealing with dim lanterns is not exactly my idea of a good time. But fear not, because the Luminoodle is here to light up your life, literally. This thing is basically a string of super bright LEDs that you can hang anywhere. It's powered by USB, so you can easily charge it with a portable power bank or even your laptop. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. You can hang it inside your tent, drape it around your campsite, or even use it as a makeshift lantern. Plus, it has different brightness settings, so you can create the perfect ambiance for any situation. Arc. Next Level Shelter. Last but not least, we've got the Arc Next Level Shelter. And let me tell you, this thing is in a league of its own. This isn't your average flimsy tent. This is a shelter designed to provide maximum comfort and protection no matter where your adventures take you. We're talking a durable, waterproof, and windproof design that can withstand even the harshest conditions. It's got plenty of space inside so you can stand up, move around, and actually relax. But here's the really cool part, the Arc shelter is modular. That means you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Need more space? Add an extra room. Want to create a shaded area for cooking or relaxing? Attach an awning, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, 5 camping inventions that are guaranteed to take your outdoor adventures to the next level. This gear is designed to make your camping experience more enjoyable and convenient than ever before. If you're looking to upgrade your camping setup, I highly recommend checking out these awesome inventions. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Happy camping!